2023. America's Air Show starts now.
Hello everybody, I'm Rob Ryder. And hello everybody, I'm Matt Jolly. We'll be your narrators for this show. We're so thrilled to be here. I'll tell you what, Vicky Benzing, as Rob just said, underway. She'll be back here for her full news.
450 horsepower as Vicky Benzing flies right into the sun. And kids and moms and dads, keep your eyes shielded from the sun. This airplane is known as the Boeing Stearman, and the lady flying it is one of the most talented airplanes in the world. And flying this airplane the way she does, watch her come as she does the stop sign in the sky. Such precision. Now, why precision? Well, that's the way you want to fly it. You want to do it precisely, knowing at the end, she gets to the top of this hammerhead stall turn. Gravity wins. There's a lot of left rudder opposite aileron. Dare I say it? She turns it. Yeah, I guess I did. But Vicky Benzing is a remarkably talented lady. She's a native Californian. She has proven herself in our business and has made a name for herself not only here on the West Coast, but all over the country as one of the premier Stearman pilots anywhere. She also has a PhD in chemistry. Now, how do you figure that would match up?
I'll tell you what, she's one of the smartest ladies I know. One of the smartest people. Let's put it that way. How about that?
Just last week, she spent some time at, where was that?
Oh, the National Air Races, yeah. Well, she's one of the fastest people around here, too, I'll tell you that. Vicky Benzing, proud. Can we just tell them about, I mean, this is a new era, if you will, in aviation history, because mom and dad pilots are making more money now than they've ever made, ever in the history of aviation. The folks down there at California Aeronautical University, Vicky's sponsor, would love to talk to you about a career in aviation. I mean, there's no better time. We have a friend who was an airport cop and is now a first officer. I'm telling you, the money is phenomenal. The career is phenomenal. Go see them down at California Aeronautical University.
When you think of a sign-on bonus for a major league ball player, well, some of those sign-on bonuses for pilots, for qualified pilots to join the airlines, are upwards of $150,000.
I know, and that's just for signing on the dotted line. That's not what they're paying you.
That's right. California has a main campus in Curtin County. It's a purpose-built flight training center. And they also have Ventura and San Diego County campuses, and even one in Phoenix. They're fast-paced, they're highly structured, and they are offered year-round. And they allow CAU students to graduate with a bachelor's degree in only 3 years, putting them in the pipeline for aviation jobs a whole lot sooner than other candidates. You gotta just tip the hat to CAU.
I'm telling you, California Aeronautical University, a partner with Vicky Benzing. All of her airplanes, including her race P-51 Plum Crazy, which I had Vicky on Warbird Radio not too long ago, and she was talking about it. That plane on fire. I'm telling you, unbelievable interest in Plum Crazy, her race P-51 that the great Clay Lacey used to own. You see the Stearman, you meet the lady, you read her biography, and you just want more of Vicky Benzing every single time. This is one of the most iconic airshow airplanes in the history of this business.
She was her first airplane ride when she was with her uncle, when she was just a small child. When she went to get her PhD after she got her private pilot's license in chemistry, she kind of set flying aside, but then came 2005, and she decided to go after aerobatics. Now, between contests, she also started performing at air shows, and then she got the racing bug when a friend invited her to go out to Reno for the national championship air races. Now listen to this. In Vicky's first year of racing, She was chosen as Rookie of the Year after having won her first race ever. In 2015, just 8 years ago, she became the fastest racer ever in the history of marine races, when she qualified in a jet course, a race course at 469 miles an hour. And she flew her historic P-51D, that one you were talking about, crazy, to a fourth place finish among the world racers in the limited class.
It's my favorite purple P-51. I love it. Look at that pull that she does. I mean, Vicky just hauls back on that thing.
She is experiencing some 5 or 6 times the force of gravity at a couple of spots. And this aircraft, as a primary back in the 40s, only had a 225 horsepower motor. After the war, they were surplused out, and the agricultural spray guys and ladies in the business realized that it could be used with that if they put a bigger motor on it. And this is one of those with a bigger motor. They call this, I guess they nicknamed this the Super Stearman.
That's right, the Super Stearman. It still flies like a dump truck. It's a big airplane.
Explain that.
It's a big airplane, and Vicky just throws it around like it's nothing. But trust me, she is an athlete. A real athlete up there.
I guess sometimes it's 2 hands on the stick for some of these units.
Absolutely. And look at her up there.
I love the sound too. You know, there's more than just powers of Pratt & Whitney motor there, but the propeller tips are making some noise too, aren't they?
They sure are. You were explaining that was it Friday? The little tiny sonic booms that you hear.
What a fun growl. Now watch her as she rolls upside down here. She's just going to push her on it. Now rolls it over.
There she goes.
She did a reverse 1/2 Cuban 8 there. And typically it's done the other way around with 5/8 a little bit of half a roll. This way, she's going up and rolling on its back. And continuing to roll around. The airplane, I've been told, I've not flown a Stearman. I've been if you want to slow down a Stearman, just pull the throttle back.
Yeah, well, it's a lot of drag. I mean, look at all of that. Flying wires and all kind of crazy stuff out there.
Now, I want you to keep your eyes on these folks.
It flies just fine upside down as long as it doesn't know it. Well, watch what happens. Oh, you hear that engine? There it goes.
That's the flaming restart. No problems. It's all part of the act. And California Aeronautical University is proud to be teamed up with Vicky Benzing, and Vicky Benzing is proud to be teamed up with CAU, California Aeronautical University, where the options are great. Just check them out. They've got a booth here at the show.
You know, Vicky right now setting up for a little taunting. That's what she's doing, Rock Rider. Look at her out there. She is down low at gopher scaring altitude right now. Almost like she's on a racetrack, would you say?
Well, funny you should mention that, because in a moment we're going to see something that is kind of unusual at an air show, because it's going to be some ground-based entertainment, and I just looked up to